Welcome to Ticker Feed channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe as I will update you every week on stocks. I created this channel to give the retail investor like myself a go-to source. That way it can be a little easier to determine the particular stock has value to you now or in the future. Okay, welcome to my channel. I really do appreciate you tuning in. First of all, I'm not a financial advisor, but this channel, what it does is provide information on the latest stocks, on the latest trends, and just giving you information on these companies just so you can kind of be able to decide for yourself if you want to either, buy the company, short it, do options, whatever the case is. This channel is just giving you that information about each company. As always, here's an awesome meme. That moment you make eye contact with another coworker while walking down the hall. Picture on the left, picture on the right. I think that's pretty funny. As always, please subscribe. Make sure you smash that like button. I really do appreciate it. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so what I want to show you for the trending tickers today, it's going to be AVGR. It's Avinger Inc. It's a penny stock, which is currently at $2.30, and it is increased by 37%. And so that's what we're going to be talking about. That's why I'm bringing this company up and just wanting to dive in a little bit deeper about that company. That way you can decide if you want to purchase it, if you want to continue to buy more shares, or just buy some. Okay, as always, I'd like to start off with the company overview. So I'm just going to read this quick summary. Just bear with me and we'll continue. So Avinger is a commercial stage medical device company that designs and develops the first ever image-guided catheter-based system that diagnoses and treats patients with peripheral artery disease, or PAD. Avinger is dedicated to radically changing the way vascular disease is treated through its Luma vascular platform, which currently consists of Lightbox Imaging Console, the Ocelot family of chronic total occlusion CTO catheters, and Pantherus family of atherectomy devices. Okay, and it is based in California. So there's a quick little summary. Let's go ahead and see what we can learn about them. Okay, so what I found is a PowerPoint presentation on their website, and so I just want to go through some of those slides and see what we can find out. So one of the first things I noticed is it says disruptive image guided therapy for vascular disease. It's a commercial stage medical device company, okay? And they say that they have a large market opportunity. So in the US, over 20 million people are projected to suffer from PAD. Right, estimated to be 500 million with over 200,000 procedures performed each year. So it's a scalable financial model, ramping procedures expected to drive increased revenue and contribution margin, creating operating profit leverage. Okay, so then the next thing I looked at is the actual Luma vascular platform, or real-time imaging therapy device. And so here's a picture of what it looks like. So you have the different devices. So you have the Pantherus SV, the CTO Crossing, Tiger Eye, and Ocelot. Okay, so then the next I wanted to look at is a little image of what it is in order for them to get that real-time pictures. And so I feel like this is a pretty interesting company. Okay, so also what I want to show you is that they say that they have a robust intellectual property portfolio. So they have 63 U.S. patents and patent applications, so 38 allowed and issued U.S. patents and 25 pending utility applications, and 117 ex-U.S. patents and patent applications. So they have 180 total patent and pending applications. So clearly, just by giving this information out and showing their due diligence, they want us to know that this is a company that's trying to last and it's not a short term. And so Avengers is showing this information for us to understand that through their manufacturing and their design, that this imaging catheter is a device that's worth looking into. As always, I just want to show you Avinger, the commercial company. It was founded in 2007 in California. But what I mainly want to show you is that currently it's moving around $2.26. Okay, that's pretty low. I kind of like that a lot. So it is a speculative play, and it gives you an opportunity, if you believe in this company or maybe what they're doing or the type of research they're doing and their technology, that you can look into it again, dive a little deeper, and kind of figure out maybe this is a company that you want to either do options on or invest in, because it is so cheap. And so that allows you an opportunity to afford it at such a small amount, and you can buy a lot of shares. So I just wanted to show you again, it's at 225. The 52-week high is $2.67 currently, and so it has a market cap of $213 million, which is really small. Clearly they're at humble beginnings, and so with that being said, tell me if this is a company that you want to buy into, or is it just a quick trade. Let me know if you feel like this video was helpful, and hopefully you were able to get something from this, and then maybe down the road I'll be able to give you some updates if this company continues to strive. Okay guys, I really do appreciate it, and just make some comments and let me know below. Okay, so what I noticed, I checked out investorplace.com, and so the reason why there was a short, or 73 million of those shares have changed hands, is that, you know, with the daily average trading volume is roughly 24 million, and there was 73 million exchanged, right? So what exactly was the AVGR stock update? Okay, so according to Investor Place, which is what I had talked about previously, it looks like the jump is connected to a patent set to be issued to the company. However, Avinger itself has yet to make any official announcement about this patent. So with these patents, this is going to allow them with having that advanced technology, and with that technology they'll be able to go a lot further, right? But that's going to be what the whole buzz is about. And so if you've made it this far into the video, now you know with AVGR, the reason why it's trending right now is because there's news about that patent. Now again, the company hasn't talked about it. They haven't expressed any information as far as we know, and I personally haven't seen anything on their websites or on any news feed, but I'm pretty sure they got that patent approved, which is only going to help with the technology that they have, because I feel like more and more of these companies, these hospitals, are going to purchase it, which is going to allow AVGR stock to continue to rise, especially when they get those quarterly, every single quarter, showing that their revenues have continued to increase. And so that's what you want to kind of see. So again, guys, I really do appreciate you taking the time to check out my channel. I'll continue to express the information that I find and that I do research on. That way I can save you time, and that way you can either spend time buying it and deciding quicker. That way you're more ahead of the game and not spending so much time doing the research and then deciding, and by then you might have lost your opportunity. Even though, if you want to do a long term, again, the price itself is really cheap, the stock itself is really cheap, but that is the catalyst for today. It is that patent, just so you know.